So now that we have our derivative of our impedance cardiography channel labeled, we have the labels we need from our B point here to our QRS onset, or I should say that vice versa, QRS onset to the B point represents the pre-ejection period, that amount of time, which is often about 1/10 of a second. We have all we need to tell Acknowledge to go ahead and calculate us a PEP channel. So we do it this way: analysis, impedance cardiography, pre-ejection period, and once again we got to tell it what's where. So our ECG lead 2 channel is in channel 2 in this situation, and our DZDT channel is in channel 9. There we go. And we do want it to analyze the entire graph, and we want the results not in an Excel spreadsheet right now. There's a lot of steps that happen between now and then. So we're just going to say graph channel only, and we're going to say OK. And it does some more calculations for us. And it calculates these intermediate channels, the RR interval, the heart rate, and the pre-ejection period. Really kind of what we're looking for here is pre-ejection period. So I'm gonna hide these 2 other channels just to take a quick peek at what we have now. And I like to look at it with these 3 channels active at the same time. And so we see a few things right off the bat. Pre-ejection period is never 0, but it has a lot of 0 values. That's when you can see these correspond to noisy points in the data where the very noisy ICG signal got kind of went off the rails, so to speak, and it wasn't helpful. We do see some really nice data here in the middle. This is probably nearly 100% clean, accurate data. For this person, it looks like their average pre-ejection period is 0.12 of a second, and but there's a lot of noise. These things that go off the charts on the high side are also just noise. Nobody has a pre-ejection period. I've never seen one bigger than probably 0.16 or 0.15. So all of this is noise. So all of this is a lot of noise that we have to clean. This here looks like a nice clean section. So in the next videos, I'll illustrate how to start cleaning the signal.